In this animated business tech scene, we follow the business robot known as TBR, a powerful young entrepreneur with a metallic silver body, a smooth chrome glow, and long black dreadlocks tied back neatly as he steps into a dimly lit workspace wearing a sharp burgundy business suit and matching burgundy shoes. The room is filled with floating holographic screens, digital charts, and neon red code streams running across the walls. In the center of the room sits a futuristic workstation with a glowing keyboard. TBR sits down and begins typing rapidly, each keystroke creating bright pulses of energy as glowing lines of code assemble across the largest holographic screen. At the top of the digital code appears one word: discipline. As the code expands, branching into networks and algorithms, TBR explains the meaning behind his mantra, the algorithm of wealth. He talks about how people search for secrets, shortcuts, and hacks, believing wealth is a mystery locked behind complicated systems. But the truth is much simpler. Every habit you build is a line of code for your future. As he types, the camera zooms in on the glowing characters forming patterns that resemble both computer logic and life principles. He explains that waking up early, eating clean, working on your craft, limiting distractions, training your body, and protecting your focus are all pieces of code that shape the person you become. The screen shifts to show how small habits stack into larger sequences, like building an operating system for success. TBR's chrome fingers move with a robotic precision as he edits and refines the glowing algorithm, removing lines of code labeled laziness, neglect, and excuses, replacing them with lines labeled consistency, focus, and execution. He explains that just like coding, your life only works when your habits work. If your habits are broken, your results will be too. As he talks, the holographic screens display simulations of two futures, one built with disciplined habits expanding upward, and one built on distractions collapsing downward. The camera rotates around him as he continues coding, the burgundy reflections from his suit glowing across the metallic shine of his body. He explains that wealthy people don't rely on luck. They rely on systems. They design their life the same way a coder designs software, step by step, rule by rule, habit by habit. He says that the algorithm of wealth is built through repetition and intention, not hope. The glowing code on the screen begins forming a digital blueprint of a future version of TBR, standing stronger, sharper, and more successful. He taps the screen, and the blueprint locks into place with a bright flash. TBR then turns toward the viewer and says, "Every habit is a line of code for your future," reminding them that nothing changes until their daily actions change. The video ends with TBR pressing a final key that compiles the entire algorithm, causing the holographic room to brighten with a burst of energy as his completed code for discipline uploads into the digital world, symbolizing the creation of a powerful future built intentionally, one habit at a time.